second. Suppose I want to create list view for our resource object. So I will go to the resource tab. Okay. And on resource tab, here we have option for list views. So this will contain all the existing list view for that particular object. It's not like if account list views are there, so you can access the same on the contact. It's not possible. We have to create list views separately on each object. Okay, so under this here you can see we have two list views. That is one is recently viewed and another one is all. So these two are the standard list view created by Salesforce. So whenever we create any object, so at that time Salesforce automatically create these two list views. But we have option to add as much list views I want, we can add. So suppose this recently view is normally shows the most recently open data, or suppose you have already created a new record and you have accessed that, then those will also come. And suppose any existing record is there, so and you have already accessed that, so those will come here the most recent. If I will go to this all, it means this all list view is having by default, and it will display all the existing record of this object. Okay, so this is the standard list view, and I have added all these columns manually. So normally whenever we create, so at that time only first field get added to that list view, and here I have added all other required field which I want to display the data here. So how we can edit any existing list view. Suppose I am on this all list view and I want to add something, or I want to add some more field, or I want to delete some fields, so I can do from here. Here we have a gear icon, that is setting icon. Okay, this setting, I'm not talking about that above one. So this is the list view setting. So here we have option for new means creating a new list view. Clone, if I want to clone this list view and create a new, then we can clone it. If I want to rename it, like if I will just click rename, so it will ask for changing the name, like all resources. If so here this is a standard one, so we can't change the API name, but we can change the label. Save it. Here you can see this name got changed. Okay, sharing setting. Suppose you want to share this list view with any specific user or group of users, so here we have multiple options. Only I can say this list view. If you want to access if you want that you can access that, now we have to select this only I can see this list view. If you want to show this list view to the other users as well, so we have option for all user can see this list view. And third option, we have share list view with group of users. So as soon as we will select, so here it will ask for public group, role and subordinates. Okay, so suppose we have a public group, so we can select that public group, and then we have to search that specific public group which we have in the system. So right now I have only two public groups, so I can select anyone and I will just save it. So as soon as I will save, it means this list view got shared with this public group. Okay. Now next option, we have select fields to display. So here you can see I have already added other fields. Resource name, record type, date of birth, active, email, phone, father's name, degree, degree percentage, language, fee. If I have to remove, or if I want to remove any specific field, then I can just select and remove from here. Okay, like here I want to remove this fee, so I will just select and remove from here. I want to display this case number. I will just select from left and then I will move it to right. So it will come here. Okay. So now we have added a new field and removed one existing field. As soon as I will save, so accordingly it will filter out the data. I mean, it will display the data according to our added, it will also display that added field which we have added recently here. Now fee is not coming. Instead of fee, it's coming as the case number, and its case is displaying. Okay. If you want to delete any list view, so here we have option to delete. And if you want to reset the column width, then we can manage from here. Or on the UI here also we have option for managing the width of any particular column. We can adjust according to our need or dot and our data. Okay. So apart from changing this width, we have option for sorting. So whenever you will click on any of this tab, so it will change according to ascending and descending order. So here if you'll see this, now it's getting changed to ascending and then descending. So we can sort from this on the from any specific field. Okay, so we can sort according to our need. Okay. So this is part of settings, and next option here we have table view, convert view, split view, whatever the view I want to display. So it will display accordingly. Like if I am selecting convert view, so it will display in this convert format. Okay, where we have grouped on the basis of this degree. We can change that degree, and accordingly it will change. If I want to split view, then here we will have option in a split. Okay, I will go in table view only. So normally table view is a good view so that we can see all the data in the system. Here if you want to refresh the data, so here we have option for refresh, or we can also refresh from this URL. Here we have edit icon. If you want to apply enable editing, so at that time you can update any value. Okay. And next one we have chart. If you want to display in the chart format, then we can. And next option we have filters. So suppose this list view is displaying all the data, and right now in our system we have only test data, that is and record count is very less. But what if you are working in production and you have 1 millions of data, or 10 millions of data, and you have to display only some specific on the basis of some criteria. So for that we have filters. Okay, under filter here we have add filter option. So we can apply filter on the basis of field. Suppose I want to filter it out on the basis of active checkbox field. So I will select the this active one, and then here we have equal to, and value I will select as a true. So it will display only those record which is having this active as checked. Okay. As soon as I will save, then it will apply the filter. Okay. Now I will go and create a new list view. So here I will just select new button, and I have to give the list view name like active resource, and all user can save this list view. I have already explained this about the sharing of this list view. I will just save it, and here we can see we have only one column, and now I have to add some more column to display so that we can access the related data, because only on the basis of this resource number we can't identify which one is related to which user, right? So that's why we normally add fields to identify the record. So here I will go and select fields to display. Now after resource number, I want to display resource name, resource name, and resource phone number, also resource email ID, on date of birth, and degree also I want to add. Okay, and I want to add father name and fee also. So here we have added all the fields. Now we have to do the arrangement, like which one, what could be the ordering of that field, so we can manage from here. Like resource number is coming, post that resource name is coming. If I want to display this date of birth after this resource name, so I just have to select this field, and here up arrow button is there. So we have to click on this. Sorry. Date of birth, I will just click on once more, then phone number, email. After that, I want to display father's name, then I will just put after this email, then degree and fee. So I have added all these fields. If I want to add one more, like record type also I want to add. So I will just add this record type, and I will move it to the top. Like after resource name, I will just add this record type, and now I will save it. Okay, so here we have created a new active resource list view. Now I want to display only active records, active resource record in this list view. So I just have to apply the filter. Here we have filter option, add filter, and I will add this field active equal to true, and then I will save it, and then I will apply the save. So now here all active records are coming. Okay, and related other fields are also displaying. Whatever the values are not coming for the record, it means we don't have any value in that particular field. Okay, so that's why it's coming as a blank. Our next task will be creating another list view which will only display the inactive resources where active checkbox is false. Okay, so in this suppose I have already opened this, so in setting icon, I mean list view setting icon, I will just clone it, and I will name it as inactive resources. Okay, so I will just click on tab, and then all user can access this list view. and I will just save it. So I have created another list view, that is inactive resource. Okay, and it's also displaying the same record. We have no, because we have not applied any filters. So let's apply filter here. Active equal to false. So it will display only those record where this active checkbox is false. I will save it and then save list view. So here now you can see we have only three records in this inactive resources. So let me add one more column here. Select field to display, and here active, and this I want to move on the top after record type. I will save it. So here you can see this active checkbox is unchecked. Okay. So you can create as much list view as you want. Any doubt in list view? Anyone is having any question? Silence, it seems no. Okay. Sorry.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Now we have completed this list view topic.